Hi BINUSians, I'm Mr. Syakti Perdana, MSHS Physics teacher at BINUS School Bekasi. I was invited by the UNESCO APSEU to attend the Advanced Workshop on GCED for Alumni and the International Conference on GCED in 2023. It was held from 16th to 23rd of October 2023 in Seoul, Republic of Korea. This event brought together 26 passionate individuals from more than 13 countries, including diverse nations such as Nigeria, Bhutan, Indonesia, India, Philippines, Mongolia, Pakistan, Malaysia, Zimbabwe, Mexico, Colombia, Japan, and Peru. Each participant contributed their unique perspectives and experiences toward global citizenship education. I was the alumni of the APSEU GCED workshop in 2022 who got a grant from APSEU to conduct GCED project. We finished our GCED project in BINUS School Bekasi, namely Student Summit on GCED 2023 in March this year. Then, the Advanced Workshop invited the active alumni who have carried out GCED initiative in their communities to come to the APSEU office for alumni sharing, workshop, and international conference. Attending the Advanced Workshop and the 8th International Conference on Global Citizenship Education in Seoul, South Korea was an incredible experience. The conference, themed Unpacking GCED, Transformative Learning for Critical Empowerment, was a platform for global dialogue and collaboration on education for a better future. The insight and the experiences shared were invaluable, and it's encouraging to see how GCED is being embraced worldwide. This event reinforced my belief in the transformative power of education and the importance of a global perspective. This gathering was also a remarkable opportunity to witness the transformative power of global citizenship education and to network with like-minded individuals who are making a real difference in their communities. As one of the representatives of Indonesia, I had privilege to showcase our initiative, Student Summit on Global Citizenship Education, implemented by the Student Council and teachers at BINUS School Bekasi through engaging poster sharing session, the presentation, and also the discussion forum. The platform was diverse, with the presentation held at the prestigious UNESCO APSEU office in Seoul. It was an honor to share our work on the global stage and to witness the impactful effort of participants representing different corners of the world.